What's the meaning of ambi dash? Ambi. 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 Ambi.
The prefix ambi- derives from Latin and means both, around, or about. It is often used to indicate ambiguity or uncertainty, as well as the existence of conflicting or competing elements. When used in this way, ambi- suggests a sense of dualism or multiplicity that can be both intriguing and challenging. The resulting connotations are those of complexity, ambivalence, and diversity, as well as a sense of tension and contradiction that can be found in many areas of human experience, from language and culture to psychology and science.